how to go to Montfort Centre. Alight at the nearest MRT station Cashew or bus stop Assumption Pathway School. Turn in when you see Assumption English School. Stay on the sheltered walkway to avoid incoming vehicles. At this stage, you've completed only 20% of the walk. Keep going on. Time to climb up some steep stairs. You're now passing vibrant colors of blue, white, and yellow. Near to the aircon vents is the security clearance post. Follow the sign. The onward march on some really steep slope starts about now. Don't give up. Just follow the signs and keep walking straight. To your left is a big cross. Just follow the signs and keep walking straight on the main road. You pass by the statue of Brother Vincent. Almost there. The last bit of the slopeway. At last, you have reached. St. Louis Marie de Montfort welcomes you.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.